In primetime news this evening, stranded Jamaican medical students in Cuba beg for aid as supply shortage leaves them desperate. Multiple charges, stepfather implicated in Sunday's beating death of 4-year-old in St. Catherine to face the courts. Another toddler murdered, mother and child shot dead in retirement St. James.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, apart from corporal punishment, what other measures can parents or guardians use to discipline children? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.